All right, so we get this question a lot, and people are telling us, hey, should we buy or rent because the interest rates are so high, so maybe we should actually rent until they come down. So one thing that I want you guys to take a note of is these two graphs, right? So right here, you have the renting graph and you'll have the buying graph. And then you'll see here on this line right here, this first line is your equity. So when you're renting, your equity is pretty much going to stay flat. However, because you know monthly payments are going to eventually increase over time. So on average, you're looking at somewhere between 3 and 5% minimum for an increase every single year. And your monthly payment is going to continue to go up. Now let's look at the buying graph. The buying graph here, your monthly payment actually stays the same throughout your mortgage. And actually, it can go lower if you end up refinancing later. However, your equity over time is going to go up. So which one makes more sense to you? Just because the interest rate's a little bit high now doesn't mean that your payment is going to continue to go up. It actually can go down. But at the same time, your equity is going to continue to go up over time. Hopefully this helps.